Are coins and tokens the same thing? Some may say yes, but the fact is that it is no. Coins have a blockchain. And if you don't know what's a blockchain, you can check my previous video. So they run and they have their own blockchain. For example, we have Avax, we have Bitcoin, we have Solana, we have Ethereum, Shiba. I can keep saying and going. And then we have tokens. Tokens are crypto that run on different blockchain. Depends on what they want to be used for. It depends on the blockchain they will go for. So tokens, we have example of Snow on Ice blockchain. We have dogs on BTC blockchain. There are many others. We have WikiCard on BSC. So all these are called tokens because they run on other blockchains that are serviced by those coins. And for coins, you can send them and receive them as a means of payment, and validators and miners use them to secure the network. We can only have one blockchain, one coin, but we can have one blockchain with multiple tokens. And that is what is it telling you? Coins run the blockchain that houses tokens. Stay close. This is part of my 30-day series. This is day 4. Stay close and keep learning about crypto day to day. Catch you in the next video. Ensure you share and let someone know about Crypto-Fotismós. Thank you.